Buffering on the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung TV is frustrating, but often fixable. It happens when your TV can't receive video data fast enough, causing pauses. Connectivity, app glitches, and your TV's hardware are the main culprits. Let's tackle the common causes and solutions. First, ensure your Wi-Fi speed meets the minimum requirements. At least 25 Mbps for HD and 50 Mbps for 4K streaming. Run a speed test using Ookla Speed Test. If your speed is below these thresholds, contact Spectrum. A wired Ethernet connection directly to your TV is the most reliable solution, bypassing Wi-Fi issues altogether. If wiring isn't feasible, focus on optimizing your Wi-Fi. Improve your Wi-Fi by using the 5 GHz band, which offers faster speeds and less interference. Position your router centrally, away from walls and interference from other devices like microwaves. Next, access your router settings and enable Quality of Service (QoS) to prioritize Spectrum app traffic. Keep your router's firmware updated for optimal performance. On your Samsung TV, clear the Spectrum app's cache. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Spectrum TV, Clear Cache. Also, force quit any background apps that might be consuming resources. Settings, Apps, Spectrum TV, Force Stop. Finally, within the Spectrum app settings, look for and enable any high bandwidth mode or similar options. These steps, combined with ensuring adequate internet speed, will significantly reduce buffering and improve your streaming experience.